What are some game-changing ideas you've come across in your public speaking journey, like that took you from sort of where you were at the beginning to where you are now?
One of the key ideas is that if you could talk to 5 people, you could talk to 500 people. I came to realize this when I was doing uh, different speeches at weddings, where it was the same exact formula. It- One Another idea that was game changing was do lock and hold versus scanning. Where if you're a newbie public speaker, you're probably gonna try to look at every single one at the same time. You ever
Yeah.
tried that before? You're just like giving yourself anxiety. But I recommend that you choose 3 people, one from left, one from middle, one from right, and lock and hold a conversation with them. It's
Okay.
preferred that they're the most engaged members, and you'll typically spot those guys. They're kind of nodding their heads a lot, they're smiling. You could just tell that they're more engaged than the rest.
Mhm.
The beauty regarding that is all the people around those 3 selected individuals think that you're looking at them.
Wow.
So rather than now giving yourself a panic attack, you're over here just looking at 3 people and you're killing many birds with one stone.
Yeah.
So those were the 2 key ideas. If you could speak to 5, you could speak to 500,
Mhm.
and you don't need to look at every single member in the audience. A 3 is plenty as you're getting started.